Jim and Maureen, one of their favorite places to vacation is Disney World. So Jim had to make a ride.
We call it the Skyway. So it starts at the engineering department, and up there we have 2 golf carts that each hold 6 people. And here we made a 90-degree turn. So we built all these boxes in our shop, like containers aren't 90-degree turns. We made it wider, put a chamfer in so it's possible to make the turn. And then all the windows we learned, we did a job for the FAA to make air traffic control towers. They taught me the windows should be slanted. It reduces glare and keeps dust off them. So all the windows are on a slant. So that's 200 feet. Then it goes 300 feet this direction to the end, and has windows on both sides, so you can see where we're welding and where we're painting. At the end, we put the containers double wide, so it's a 16-foot interior. And I bought a turntable for cars. It's 15-foot diameter with remote control. So the golf cart comes up and do a rotated 180. Instead of doing a K-turn, it's easy to drive back out. I do it because it's fun. And I could have retired 7 years ago, but I just like it, so I'm not retiring. These guys do the welding. I just dream up all the good ideas, you know? All the fun ideas. They say, we never did that before. Oh, we'll figure it out. And we do. We figure it out.